So it's there's a police
this car is stuck right here,
police car,
sliding.
No, it's right,
Right.
in the middle.
Absolutely. Ladies and gentlemen, this car seems stuck. It's moving right now.
Oh, that's good.
He finally negotiated, was able to negotiate his way out of this slide, slip and fall. Throughout the city right now, you can't even see any snow blower. Okay. All right. How you dealing with the snow, brother? All right.
Very bad weather.
Bad or better?
It's bad.
Very bad.
Very
And I can't see any snow blower from the city. The city was not ready for this.
I cannot work. I'm going home.
Wow. All right, good luck. I hope you get home safe.
Thank you. Good night.
Okay, good night. Still more storm. The climbing up this is very slippery. There's no snow blower. Emergency everywhere. Emergency everywhere. We'll pull on this to see how they negotiate this. So you know we are following this. This is total emergency. Look at this. Slide. He can't go. He's holding his brake. He can't. Sliding and slipping. No snow below the sea. Is taking unawares. This emergency. NYPD, ladies and gentlemen, fire department can't actually explain what's going on. They can't. All right. What is the sleep blowers? There's no sleep blower? I mean the trucks? No? Wow. Someone is slide and fall, slippery all over the place. City was shocked by this snow. The focus was wrong. And basically, this is what we got. The vehicles are slipping and falling back. They can't actually negotiate. Right here. Yeah, they can't slide, they can't move. This is an emergency, ladies and gentlemen. We are following these NYPDs right here. This is a heavy jam here. They can't slide, they can't climb. NYPD is here. NYPD is here monitoring this development, ladies and gentlemen. This is NYPD right here, ladies and gentlemen. Providing security as well. They cannot negotiate their way. Vehicles are sliding and falling. They can't move forward or back as they want to. The snow blowers for the city is nowhere to be found. The snow took the city by storm. Roads sliding, slipping all across. NYPD is here. Right here, ladies and gentlemen, NYPD New York City. We're here monitoring this development. This is what's going on right now. How you doing, sir? How are you managing the snow? Huh? No, you don't want to talk to us? Right here. There's another jam right here. Okay. So you're still following, ladies and gentlemen. City cannot explain how they were taken by shock. The focus was wrong. The focus was wrong. It's a heavy snowstorm right here. Vehicles are slipping and sliding backward. They can't climb the hill, as you can see. They can't. They can't climb their way out. And this is a mess. A mess. It's a mess, ladies and gentlemen. This is a mess. They can't climb their way out. They can't. We have video right here. road safety. They can make their way out of this. They want to just stand here because people are trying to slide through the hill. They can. They have to put one of their vehicles to block traffic coming down the hill. This is dangerous to slide through the hill. Fire department is right here. No ambulance, nothing. The city snow blowers cannot be found anywhere across the city. The city has been taken unawares. The prediction was wrong. Now this is what we got. This is what we got, ladies and gentlemen. Heavy slide for you to climb through this hill is a big problem. Right here, West 141st Street. West 141st Street. Look at this. You can move. You can move through the snow. And the snow is still dropping heavily. The city is taken by shock, unaware of this development. It's no joke, ladies and gentlemen. Movement is stalled. It's pretty much a snail movement. It can't really go as much as they would want to. The city snow blowers are nowhere to be found, and that's the latest development, ladies and gentlemen. Breaking news in New York City. Reporters covering this development. Thank you so much. Stand by as we bring you more news on snowstorm that hit the city. Surprisingly, heavy, slippery, slip and fall. Vehicles cannot climb the hill. Can't climb the hill. Look at this. They can't climb the way. These ones cannot climb. They can't move their way. They can't even negotiate their way. The snow blowers in the city cannot actually be found anywhere. You can't climb. Right here. It's stuck. This vehicle is stuck right here. Stuck. What? Time warner, ladies and gentlemen. Can't move. Can't climb the hill. There's still more cars with the same problem. They can't. You can't move. Time warner, ladies and gentlemen. Time warner 128 East 23rd Street, New York City. Time warner cannot negotiate eastward right here. You can't. They're screaming at each other. They put it in two. This is stuck right here.
I got a bag.
It's stuck. You see it here. And it's stuck right here. It's stuck. Can't climb it here. Can. Oh, did that one? I don't know. I mean, where's the snow blower? Where's the snow blower? You can't find snow blower. Yeah,
But it's not out here. It's the same.
exactly. Yeah, you know, taxpayers' money. They can't even provide the blowers. Yes. Yes, sir. They can. Finally, we found one snow blower right here. Finally, we found one. Yeah, they can. Slippery, very hugely slippery. There's no slip blower anywhere.
He didn't even put his indicator on
The city is taking unawares. They didn't believe this.
Huh?
The city was taking unawares. They didn't believe that it's not gonna be big like this.
Yeah. Which way is the bus, Sandra? Wait. Hold on. You want to go to 140? That's what
How you doing? All right. How are you? Okay. This is unbelievable. A lot of people are still stuck in the snow. I guess we're gonna stop right here.